model, 66-plate Ford Ranger double cab 4x4 Wildtrak 3.2TDCi 200PS spares OR repairs bargain trader margin grin. Body, black 4x4. Mileage, 79,548. MOT, the 28th of November 2024. Engine, 3198 cc 3.220 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary, non-runner bottom ending is sqealing when cranking, automatic gearbox looks all good doesn't shows any faults codes at all open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors, 2 keys, air con. EU status, ULEZ compliant. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 15,000.